The miracle of crystal clear skin from within is a pure discovery with indusviva. iGlow, the first of its kind consumable product in India, is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and make your skin glow inside out. iGlow is a formulation composed of saffron and other natural beautifying ingredients known for its age-defying abilities. iGlow is composed of antioxidant nutrients and herbal extracts is 100% natural. With its natural fruit base, iGlow becomes the fantabulous product that provides essential nourishment to your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Our skin is subjected to wear and tear every moment as we are exposed to pollution and weather changes. Some people have oily skin tone, some people have dry, and some have combination skin. Skin is a gateway to infections as well. Because of these variations in skin tones, the problem faced by the people are also diverse. Most common skin problems faced by people in their routine lives include dull and lifeless complexion, blemishes, dark spots, white heads and black heads. In addition to all these, people do complain of early wrinkles, formation of acne, drying of skin leading to flaking, causing pain, dark circles, pores which usually open across the T-zone of the face, releasing a lot of sebum, giving you a greasy and oily look. All these skin problems eventually end up with premature aging, leading to the loss of skin firmness and resilience. Prescription-based medicines and surgical options are available to uplift your beauty. But are they really useful? Certainly not. iGlow is a natural product based on traditional Ayurvedic principles that strengthens the collagen of the skin and provides skin nourishment and repairs it at cellular level. iGlow is powered by saffron, which is also known as a sacred cosmetic spice derived from the dried stigmas of the saffron plant, botanically identified as Crocus sativus, which was known by ancient civilizations as kesar and has remained among the world's costliest substances throughout the history. iGlow is infused with Indian saffron sourced from Kashmir Valley. It has been a time-tested ingredient in nurturing skin, moisturizing and making it radiant. Saffron has healing properties which can hasten the process of skin recovery. Plant collagen in iGlow will strengthen skin and make you look younger naturally. Grapeseed extract is a rich source of bioflavonoids called procyanidins. They are major antioxidants which fight against free radical damage to the skin. Licorice extract is known for skin lightening. Kojic acid is responsible for protecting the skin against sun damage. Natural lutein in iGlow is an antioxidant that protects the skin from harmful pollutants. Coenzyme Q10 energizes your skin. iGlow helps in skin lightening, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, skin moisturizing, dark spot reduction, blemish control, luminous complexion, skin damage control, blood purifier and skin rejuvenation. iGlow has less calorie, less sugar and is 100% natural. It is free from chemicals, preservatives, pesticides and has no severe side effects. iGlow is suitable for all age groups and skin types. It is suitable for men, women and kids. It is safe for patients with diabetes, hypertension and consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding. For better results, one can consume up to 1 to 2 iGlow sachets per day, preferably 15 minutes after the food. iGlow can be continued for longer periods with no restriction in diet and lifestyle. So, why the wait? Gulp an iGlow right away and have a brighter, younger, healthy and beautiful skin.